First, let me recall what you learned in the past. As I told you, the graph of a quadratic function is a U-shaped curve which is called parabola. The vertical line that divides the parabola into two equal halves is axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. In fact, it creates a mirror-like reflection of either side of a parabola. And the equation of axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a. If you notice, the highest or the lowest point of the parabola is the intersection of the curve and axis of symmetry. This point is called vertex. Vertex. It is an ordered pair. I mean, v negative b over 2a. The first component of the vertex is negative b over 2a, and y coordinate, I'll tell you. You may ask why the first component or x coordinate of vertex is the equation of axis of symmetry. I tell you in two simple ways. At the first blush, it is so clear. As you see, the point is exactly the intersection of a parabola and axis of symmetry. This point exactly lies on the axis of symmetry. If I draw my projection like this, x naught, y naught, you see, it lies exactly on the axis of symmetry. This is why the first component or x coordinate of vertex is the equation of axis of symmetry. But I want to prove this by some mathematical formulas. First, let me tell you the meaning of slope. A slope, for example, in the upper right quadrant, slope means an angle made by a line with the positive direction of x-axis. In fact, it is an angle. But if you see this point on a curve, okay, these points, no slope or no angle. In fact, they're flat. I mean, f prime equals 0. In another word, if we take the derivative of the quadratic function to optimize the parabola, it should be 0. Notice d over dx of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. We have a polynomial and the sum of three things. We must take the derivative of each part separately and then adding up the answers. X squared 2ax bx plus b. C is constant. If we take derivative of c, the answer is 0. Equals 0. So x equals negative b over 2a. This is why the x coordinate of vertex is the equation of axis of symmetry. But what about the y coordinate of vertex? We must plug it in the equation. I mean, plug negative b over 2a in the equation. In fact, we substitute negative b over 2a for x or use negative b over 2a instead of x. We must calculate f of negative b over 2a equals x squared a times negative b over 2a plus bx plus b times negative b over 2a plus c. After the calculation, the answer is b squared minus 4ac over 4a. From now, call b squared minus 4ac d. D is for discriminant. Discriminant. So the coordinate of vertex is an ordered pair negative b over 2a and d over 4a.